Hello, I am Damir. I have a background in computer science. I did a PhD where I was using physics to accelerate machine learning. And after that, I worked 3 years in banking. And finally, I joined Massa as the CTO. So now I'm directing everything related to development and technology. In Massa, we use a wide range of tech tools. First of all, we use performance analysis tools because we need to optimize performance in Massa. Then we use security tools because security is critical in such systems. And finally, for the development of the core of the system, we use different languages including Rust, and everything is open source and available on GitHub. Usually in blockchains, you have the choice between scalability or decentralization. In our case, we're trying to get both, and it's very hard. We have very unique positioning. We're trying to be fully decentralized and push scalability as high as possible. So development cycles at Massa work at 2 scales. At the scale of the week, we have sprints. So at the beginning of the week, we're going to brief one person to be responsible for a project. At the end of the week, we're going to summarize what has been done, the blocking points. And at the scale of the month, we are going to basically release what we have. We're going to release a new testnet at every month to allow testing new features. Massa itself is open source, and Massa is using open source libraries and projects. So every time we see that something is missing in an open source project we are using, we are going to contribute upstream, and our developers are incentivized for that. That's one thing. Second thing is that every time we have partnerships with other projects, we encourage the partnership to involve publishing the source code of everything so the community can use it. If I were to convince developers to join us today, I would say join us because we are building something completely new, something that has many new challenges, trial and error, research, and the challenges are unique, the people are unique, and everybody is very motivated and welcoming.